How to fix IRS online account password reset not working. Very first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are using the id.me or login.gov of their credentials providers for the IRS online service, right? So make sure that you are using their credentials. Then after doing that, if it's not working, then try to request a password reset link, and then from there you can check your spam or junk emails folder for the verification email. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find it in there, and then from there see if that helped. If that still did not help, then try to clear your browser data or switch to an incognito or private browser window, and then from your private browser rebrowse it. I'm pretty sure from there you'll be able to fix that issue. And still, if the multi-factor authentication MFA fails, then you can try to log into your id.me support directly to update your ID verification documents or phone number, and I'm pretty sure by using any of those methods you'll be able to fix that IRS online account password reset not working.